A very good morning to everyone. My name is Kumar Tizil from BCAQ 4th Sem Batch 2. Today I am here to present a PPT on topic MongoDB. So today we are going to discuss what is MongoDB, why do we use MongoDB, and what are the applications of MongoDB, and how to use CRUD operations in MongoDB. So first, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is no SQL database which store data in document-oriented format. It uses JSON-like structure to store data. JSON-like structure, it is a JavaScript object notation which store data in a format of key and value pair. It is it use collection instead of table and use document instead of rows. Why do we use MongoDB? We use MongoDB because of its flexible schema, because it has no structure unlike SQL database. It has high performance. It is fast read and write operation. Scalability. It is easy to handle large data using threading. It means it divides large data into smaller groups and it's served into multiple servers. Handle big data, easy to use because of its JSON-like format. It use it supports unstructured data. It's and we can easily add multiple servers in it. Uh, top companies which use MongoDB are Google, Adobe, eBay, and Amazon. Why do these companies use MongoDB? Because of its flexible schema, performance, flexibility, and scalability. What are the applications of MongoDB? Some applications of MongoDB are e-commerce platform to store product details, user order details, social media application for efficient and rapidly changing data, real-time analytics, and mobile application for backend database for apps. Now we're gonna see how to CRUD operations in MongoDB. Interface of MongoDB Compass, in which we have here a server with name database. In this server we can add multiple database, and in database we can add multiple collections. So here we create another database which we name college, and it will have a collection of name student. So we have created a database name college, and it's have a collection of name student. In this database we could insert how to create add data in this database. We could add data by just clicking on add data or insert document. From here we give a colon, comma, then double bracket. It, as I said, it store data in key value pair. So this is name will be key. So this is key value pair. Name is the key and Sam is the value. Let's create a database in which we have name, ID, course, and the marks. Here our data is inserted in the database collection. We could add data by by using insert document or from directly from MongoDB cell. We could add data in two manners by using insert one and insert many. Insert one function insert one database at a time, and insert many function add multiple data at one time. So to use insert one function, we write db dot collection name which have student collection dot insert one small bracket then curly bracket, and in that we will input the data that we have earlier taken, name, just give Sam ID, course, let it. Our data has been inserted. To check our data has insert or not, we go to the student tab and refresh it. You can see that one more data is inserted by using insert one function. Insert many function is same, but just we have to change from insert one to insert many. Pause. So we are implementing insert many function. Our data is input inserted in database using insert many. So this is the how to insert data in MongoDB cell. You insert data in MongoDB using MongoDB cell. So now we're gonna see how to read data. To read data, we use find function. To use this function, you use db dot collection name dot find. We add here what we want to find. So we can add here filter, just like we want to find student name Sam. So we write here name. We get the all name of student which have name Sam. Another which if we want to find student of ID 101, so we just type. We will get the data of student whose ID is 101. Now we use now we use logical or to find data. We'll find the if student name is Tom or student ID is 101. Array. Or here we get the database of student named Tom or whose ID is 101. Now we see how to update. Uh, Now we see how to update data in database. To update database, we use update keyword. We can update uh, one database at a time, or we use update one or update many. In first, we will write the from which category we want to update. Then we insert the value what we want what we update. So if we write here name of we want name of student Tom. We want ID. His ID is to be 104. So we'll write his name. Then what are going to update. Dot delete one. We will give here what we want to delete. So if we name to Sam, it will delete the all the data which have name uh, Sam name Sam. From here, if we refresh that, it's delete the all the database which have name Sam. That's for now. Thank you.